If you're looking for a way to make sure new school members download the app and start engaging with your content right away, you're in the right place. Stick around, because we're going to cover the most effective strategies, and by the end, I'll even share some alternatives that could be better for your needs. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the school app is clearly highlighted. When a new member joins your community, make the app download process easy and obvious. Put the download links in your welcome emails, onboarding messages, and directly in the school platform. It's as simple as adding a button or a link that stands out. Next thing, make the app a central part of your onboarding experience. Instead of just talking about the community or content, emphasize the mobile experience. Skool has mobile apps for both iOS and Android, so don't let your members miss out on the benefits of accessing your content on the go. Encourage them to download the app immediately after they sign up, and you can even offer a quick tutorial to show them the features they'll get access to, like push notifications and instant updates. The third thing is to create urgency around using the app. Once someone signs up, you can send a reminder within 24 hours that they can access the community and resources instantly through the app. A little push, like a limited time bonus or exclusive access to certain content for app users, will do wonders in motivating people to download it. The fourth thing to keep in mind is to integrate app-exclusive features into your community. When new members realize there are certain perks, like mobile notifications for new content or live sessions they can join instantly from their phones, it becomes harder to ignore. Not all members realize how easy it is to stay up to date with the app, so make sure they know about it. Now let's talk about some alternatives to Skool. While Skool's app is great for keeping your community engaged, there are other platforms out there that might serve your specific needs even better. These options come with their own set of features, like easier app navigation or different integrations, which could be perfect depending on what kind of community you're building. Keep in mind, these alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and see which platform works best for you. And finally, if you're ready to get started on Skool with all the exclusive benefits, I've got you covered. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial that's not available anywhere else. Plus, you'll get all the benefits I mentioned, and you can explore those amazing alternatives that might be even better for your goals. Don't miss out on the best options for building and growing your community.